So this is the RAM that is there currently, which is just 4 gigabytes. So we're going to increase this by inserting another RAM. So the first step now is to switch off the laptop. So I'll switch it off so that we can do the installation. Okay. So this is the RAM that we're going to add onto this laptop. It's a DDR3 for laptops. So there are different types of these RAMs. So you just go onto the internet and look for the specifications of your laptop. Then from there you'll be able to go into any computer shop to buy the specific RAM that should be requiring for your laptop. Okay. And as far as tools are concerned, you should get a set like this. This is not even expensive. You can get this for about 100 rand or $10. This is what you need for computers. If you want to be a computer technician or anyone that repairs computers, you should get something like this. Even for do-it-yourself things, you should get something like this. Okay, so let's get into business. So you start, our computer is off already, so we start by removing the battery. So there are different methods. So for this one, you just do it like this, and then you push it like this. Let me just use 2. Okay, so can you see that it's like out? Yeah, so my battery is out. I put it on the side, and then here there is a panel here. If you see this panel, this is the panel that will be sort of like protecting where the RAM is and also the hard drive. So you have to open here, you look for the specific one. It should be this one. And then I open this screw. Okay. Okay, so you have to be careful with these things. You shouldn't give us any problems now. Okay, there it is. Let me just remove this so that it won't fly away. Okay, and then you have to put all these things where you know you won't lose them. Otherwise, you end up having a laptop without screws. Okay. Alright, so there we are. We are inside. So we've got this is the RAM that is already there. So this is our primary one. So there's another slot here for us to add more RAM. And then, so this is your hard drive. We'll look at that one later on. So make sure you subscribe so that you see all our future videos on computers. Okay. So now you take your RAM, and then if you look here, there is a slot here that will help you to guide you on how to actually put or place it inside. And then here there's also a slot here, so you just go here and then carefully, let me put this back. So carefully you just slide it in like this, and then you pull it down. Okay, it's not in as it. Let's do it. Okay, it's in now, and then you just pull it down, and then there it is. And then after that, now we close. So our work here is almost done. Okay. And then don't forget to put back that screw. Okay, our screw, and then this one. Okay, and then now put back our battery this way. Okay. Our work is done. Now let's turn on our computer and see if our RAM size is increased. Okay. So now our computer is on. Let's see if our operation was successful. So initially we had 4 gigabytes. Now can you see that we've got 6 gigabytes of RAM that has been installed? So it means our operation was very successful. So this is the proper way of adding a RAM onto a computer.